Service dispatching, as a component of Service Springboard, offers the ability to dispatch or schedule work that needs to be performed. When we're talking about service can be performed on a customer's unit, so something that your customer owns, or on rental equipment that your business owns. The one thing that is common between the two is there is a labor component. When there's a labor component on a work order or a service order, that indicates that there is a need to be able to schedule that to a resource so that it can get done. What we're looking at here is our service dispatching interface, and we access that through the service work section of the menu. I'm just going to use this little sandwich icon here to collapse our menu and give us a little bit more space on the screen. Then we can look at this listing of work that needs to be performed. If we scroll down on the page, you will see that we have resources. Our resources in this example are mechanics, but a resource could be a service bay. It could also be a truck. We do have some work that's been assigned to each of these technicians, and how that's done is we are going to take items from this listing at the top and we're going to assign them to the technician. One thing that this listing provides is information, and that puts the tools in the hands of the service manager or the dispatcher, whoever's making that decision as to what needs to be scheduled first. That can be an order subtype where we're identifying the type of work. We can also look at the unit status, which identifies the status of that particular unit, so that piece of equipment. Also, the estimated work effort is a key indicator of can we get that job done today. The repair description, identifying what needs to be done, so that can be married up with the expertise of the technicians that you have on staff at that time. As well, back order exists. That can be important. You'll see this last item. Well, there's a back order that exists on that particular order, meaning that although you may have the expertise in-house, you don't have the parts to be able to complete the job. So use the information to be able to make those decisions on what can be scheduled at that time. And to perform the scheduling, we are going to make our selection. We are going to navigate down into an area of our resources where it can accept the schedule, and we're going to add the event. That's going to add it on to, in this case, Gene's schedule. Now, when Gene logs into his interface as a technician, he is going to see the work that he needs to perform on that day.